Very good morning, students, and Jai Hind. I am Adesh with my subject accountancy. Chapter number 4, change in profit sharing ratio among the existing partner. In this chapter, we cover till now two topics. First one is to calculate the gaining and sacrifice ratio. Second, accounting treatment of goodwill at the time of change in profit share ratio among the existing partner. And one more topic we have covered, journal reserve. What the treatment are there related to different reserves. From those reserves, first point we have completed, first concept we have done in last class, that was journal reserve, the adjustment of journal reserve, return of, raise, and if there is no information related to the journal reserve is given at the time of change in profit sharing ratio. But today we are going to learn the next reserve, that is workman compensation reserve, and today's topic is workman compensation reserve. So what the treatments are there we have to do in our books. So what the conditions are there and how we will deal and record these transactions in our books at the time of change in profit sharing ratio among the existing partner. First of all, we have to confirm what is the workman compensation reserve. Here is a workman, that means it is related to the worker or the employees of the organization of the firm. Second one is compensation, it means it is required when it is claimed. Okay, so when workers claim something on the or at the time of accidental conditions with them, so then they claim those reserves which reserves are aside from the profit during the year. Now you got it. So workman compensation reserve is that reserve which reserves is aside from the profit of the firm for the employee and towards the employee if there have any accidental conditions or when employees claim to that reserve. So that reserve is withdrawal from the firm. So related to this, every time it is not a conditions, workers will claim the compensation reserve. Okay, so and sometimes maybe happen workers may do claim for this reserve. So there are different type of situations by which on those situations worker can claim or they may not be claimed. So first of all we have need to read the definition of workman compensation reserve and understand that. So let's see the definition. We have this definition related to the workman compensation reserve. So what they said, workman compensation reserve is a reserve set aside of firm's profit, set aside out of firm's profit, whatever the firm's profit is there, and from that profit reserves is aside or is appropriated to meet possible liabilities or claim. Meet possible liabilities or claim. Claim means whatever the claim is asked by the employees if they have required, if they have needed. So to meet possible liabilities on account of compensation टू एम्प्लॉयज़। एम्प्लॉयज़ को कंपनसेट करने के लिए जो हमारी लायबिलिटीज़ फुलफ़िल की जाती है, कंप्लीट की जाती है बाय एनी रिजर्व्स, so that reserve is aside earlier from the firm's profit। जो भी हमारी फर्म का प्रॉफिट होता है उस फर्म के प्रॉफिट में से कुछ पार्ट हम पहले ही साइड में रख लेते हैं फॉर दैट टाइम वेन एवर एम्प्लॉयज़ क्लेम फॉर एनी कंपनसेशन। ओके, वर्कर कभी भी किसी भी कंपनसेशंस के लिए क्लेम करते हैं, सो देन दैट रिजर्व हेल्प टू फुलफिल और टू मीट those liability which are claimed by the employees of the firm. If it arise means maybe there is some accidental condition. If there is accidental condition, so it may be arise. But sometime when profit share ratio change among the partners, so then it cannot be arise. So both the conditions may be there. It may be arise or it may not be arise. So it means according to this it means a claim may or may not arise। क्लेम हो भी सकता है, क्लेम नहीं भी हो सकता at the time of change in profit share ratio among the partners। So these two conditions we have to learn and we have to do the transaction accounting treatment related to workman compensation reserve if the workman compensation is claimed or when the compensation reserve is not claimed। So first condition is when claim against workman compensation reserves does not exist or arise। When profit share ratio change among the partners, in that situations workman compensation reserves is not claimed by the workers or by the employees, so then what the treatment will be there related to the workman compensation reserve। अगर वर्कर्स के द्वारा क्लेम नहीं किया जाता तो तब वहाँ पर क्या ट्रीटमेंट हो जाएगा। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन रिजर्व इज़ अ लाइबिलिटी, ओके, एंड व्हेन इट इज़ नॉट क्लेम बाय द वर्कर्स, सो देन the liability will reduce। If they claim, so then the liabilities arise। So when the workman compensation reserve is not claimed by the workers, so then the liability will distributed among the partners or appropriated among the partners according to their old profit share ratio। Okay, so the treatment will be there related to workman compensation reserve। So workman, W for workman, C for compensations, R for reserve, WCR, I'm writing in a short form। WCR workman compensation reserves account debit to partners capital or current account according to the method of partner capital। Whatever the workman compensation reserve is there in the firm, so that reserve will be distributed among the partners in their capitals or the current account in old ratio। Okay, so this will be the accounting treatment related to workman compensation reserve if it is not claimed। So one more thing we have to be remember, if we have to write the narration, so being WCR workman compensation reserve is appropriate or credited to partners capital or current account in their old profit sharing ratio. It will be the complete treatment of this journal entry when the workman compensations claim is not exist or not claimed by the partners. So it will be the accounting treatment. So this type of problem we will solve after complete the method, whatever the methods are there related to this one. Second one is when claim for workman compensation exist. अगर वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन रिजर्व्स एग्जिस्ट है, वर्कर्स के द्वारा क्लेम किया जाता है, तो देयर में बी 3 conditions. First one, workman compensation reserve, the workman compensation claim equals to WCR. When workman compensation claim is equal to WCR, एक कंडीशन ये होती है हमारी. सेकंड कंडीशन होती है when workman compensation claim less than to WCR. WCR से कम है अगर हमारा क्लेम, तब क्या सिचुएशन जनरेट होगी. एंड थर्ड वन इज व्हेन वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन क्लेम मोर देन द WCR. और जब हमारा कंपनसेशन क्लेम जो होगा ज़्यादा होगा WCR से. तो दीज 3 conditions now we are going to discuss. So first condition is when workman compensations claim is equal to WCR. जब हमारे ये इक्वल होगा वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन क्लेम्स के. सो यहाँ पर हमारी जर्नल एंट्री जनरेट होगी. आई एम राइटिंग द पॉइंट्स ओनली. These headings I have written on at the top. So here WCR will reduce. Here WCR will reduce because the profit share ratio is changed among the partner, and that reserve will be distributed among the partner. So if WCR account debit, why it is so? Because it is a liability, and it will be reduced from the firm. And if any liability is decreased or removed from the firm, then the liability will debit. And then the liability is generated against the WCR. That means workman compensation claim. If workers are claiming for the amount for the reserve, so then this liability is generated in the firm. So then WCR claim will be credited. So workman compensation claim account, it will be credit. So whatever the amount will be there WCR, and it is equal to compensation reserve. Here WCR equals to WCC, means workman compensation reserve is equal to workman compensation claim. Okay, so this will be the journal entry, and it is totally workman compensation reserve is claimed by the partner. So that's why it will generate a liability against the WCR. So this accounting treatment will be there. So then the narration will be there, being workman compensation claim adjusted. It will be the journal entry. So it is more important thing. This is more important thing. When WCR equal to WCC, means workman compensation reserve is equal to workman compensation claim. So now the second point, workman compensations claim less than the workman compensation reserve. Then what will be the accounting treatment will there? So WC reserve, what they say, workman compensation claim less than the WCR, means WCR greater than the workman compensation claim. So then what will be the journal entry will pass for it. Okay, here we can see WCR is more comparison to WC claim, workman compensation reserve is more comparison to workman compensation claim. So then workman compensation reserve is distributed among the partners if there is no claim, but there is claim, so WCR will debit. Why it is so? Because the liability is reducing, but liability is removing from the firm when the profit share ratios change among the partner. So WCR debit, account debit to WC claim account, it is more and it is less. This situation is showing it is more, it is less. If it is less, so whatever the balance is left, so that balance will transfer to partners capital or current account according to partner capital account method. Whatever the balance is there, so the claim is here, and remaining balance will distribute among the partner in their old profit sharing ratio. So narration will be there, being workman compensation claim adjusted and surplus WCR distributed among the partners in their old profit sharing ratio. This statement will be there when WCR more than the WC claim. वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन क्लेम से जब वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन रिजर्व हमारा ज़्यादा होगा, मींस फर्म ने रिजर्व ज़्यादा बना रखे हैं लेकिन एम्प्लॉयज़ के द्वारा कम मांगा गया। फॉर एग्जांपल ये हमारा 1 लाख रुपये और ये हमारा 80,000 रुपये, तो इट मीन्स 1 लाख रुपीज़ ऑफ WCR विल बी रिमूव फ्रॉम द फर्म एंड 80,000 रुपीज़ WC claim is provided to the workers and the 20,000 rupees of WCR will distribute among the partners in their whole profit sharing ratio. Next we having the third concept, when workman compensation claim more than the WCR. Claim is more comparison to WCR. So let's see the treatment. Here is third concept, where is workman compensation reserve less than the WC claim. So then what accounting treatment will be there? हमारा क्या अकाउंटिंग ट्रीटमेंट होगा जब हमारा क्लेम ज़्यादा होगा कंपैरिजन टू द वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन रिजर्व. सो first, whatever the WCR is there, we have to distribute this one. So it will be distributed as WCR account debit. It is removed from the firm at the time of profit sharing ratio. Change WCR is debited and to workman compensation claim account it will be credited. When we have seen if WCR is more than the WC claim, so then it is distributed among the partner in their old profit share ratio. It may be transferred to or credited to partner's capital account or current account, but here partners will not be debited or credited if claim is more. So then what the thing will be there, if whatever the reserves we have, then the liability generated more. हमारे पास लाइबिलिटी 50,000 की है लेकिन हमारी कोई और अदर लाइबिलिटी अगेंस्ट दैट लाइबिलिटी इज जनरेटेड मोर, सो देन it is loss for the firm, and if it is a loss of the firm, so then it will transfer to revaluation account debit. मान लीजिए हमने किसी से लोन लिया है 50,000 का, लेकिन जब हम उसको पेड कर रहे हैं तो वो पेमेंट हमें ज़्यादा करना है फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, तो हमारा लोन तो वो ख़त्म हो जाएगा, वो डेबिट हो गया है, लेकिन 50,000 के लोन की जगह हम 60,000 रुपये दे रहे हैं, तो 10,000 रुपये का हम लोगों को जो लॉस हो रहा है, इट मीन्स वो हमारा एक्सपेंसेस हो रहा है, तो वो एक्सपेंसेस हमारा रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट में ट्रांसफ़र हो जाएगा. वाई इट इज़ सो? बिकॉज रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट इज़ द नेचर ऑफ nominal nature. Whatever the loss and gains are there, all these are transferred to revaluation account. Okay, and if claim is less than the WCR, so the balance will transfer to directly to the partner's capital account. But here first we have to transfer this balance to revaluation account. So both the accounts will debit, narration will be there, being amount of claim debited to workman compensation reserve and revaluation account. These are the narration are not compulsory to you have to use only this particular language. You can write your own language also. Okay. So this is the claim against the WCR when claim is more than the WCR. So then this reserve, this revaluation now is distributed among the partners in their profit share ratio. So this revaluation will credit in the next entry and the partner capital or current account will debit. So now partners capital or current account debit to revaluation account in old ratio. This and this balance. Okay. Now being loss on revaluation debited to partners capital or current account. These adjustment will be there according to the condition. 3 conditions are there. All 3 conditions we have discussed. So now I have a questions which I am going to solve. So let's see the questions and that solution. You can understand more and you can clear your concept much more better. So student, we remember these methods, and this workman compensation is too important for you in this chapter, in admission of partner and retirement of partner and the death of partner and the dissolution of the partnership firm. So in all the chapter this point will cover, and mostly students are confused in this concept. So this is the basic concept by which you can clear treatment of workman compensation reserve. That's why I have prepared separate and I have taken separate class related to this. Why it is so? Because it is too important. It is important, that's why I have prepared one separate video regarding workman compensation reserve. So let's see one question and do the solutions. Student, I have question. So I am reading this question and try to explain all the concept which are given related to this question, and you will try to solve this question by your own self. Okay, by yourself you have to try to solve this question. So the question is A, B and C sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 4:3:2. It means they having the old profit share ratio 4:3:2. Decides to share the future profits and losses in the ratio of 2:3:4, but in future they want to share their profits in the ratio of 2:3:4 with effect from 1st April 2020. जो कि 1 अप्रैल 2020 से वो इसको अप्लाई करना चाहते हैं अपनी फर्म के अंदर. नाउ एन एक्सट्रैक्ट ऑफ देयर बैलेंस शीट एज एट 31 मार्च 2020 इज़ 31 मार्च 2020 को इन्होंने अपनी बैलेंस शीट में कुछ बैलेंस दिया हुआ है. द लायबिलिटी, ये अमाउंट, एसेट्स एंड अमाउंट. वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन रिजर्व 90,000. यहाँ पर याद रखना हमें कि देयर इज़ अ वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन रिजर्व 90,000 रुपीज़ ऑफ गिवन. Now here are different 5 cases. According to that we have to do the solution. So what the solution we have to do? So show the accounting treatment under the following alternative cases. Different alternative cases we have. According to that we have to do the treatment of workman compensation reserve. First, when no information as to claim is given. कोई भी information हमें नहीं दी हुई है claim से related, means no information is there related to claim. मीन्स क्वेश्चन में कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है, ओनली वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन दिया 90,000 और कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन ही नहीं है रिगार्डिंग वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन. सो देन इट विल डिवाइड एंड इट इज़ डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड टू पार्टनर्स इन देयर ओल्ड प्रॉफिट शेयर रेशियो. पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट और करंट अकाउंट इन देयर ओल्ड प्रॉफिट शेयर रेशियो. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज केस 2. व्हेन देयर इज़ नो क्लेम वी नो व्हाट द ट्रीटमेंट. इन दिस बोथ द केसेस द सेम ट्रीटमेंट विल बी देयर, एग्जैक्ट सेम. अगर इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं दी है क्लेम से रिलेटेड तो भी, और अगर कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन दी है और वहाँ पर कोई भी क्लेम नहीं किया जा रहा है तो भी, तो दोनों कंडीशन में सेम जनरल एंट्री पास आउट होगी. नेक्स्ट वन, व्हेन ए क्लेम ऑन अकाउंट ऑफ वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन इज ₹45,000 मीन्स वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन क्लेम इज लेस, मीन्स WCR मोर देन द WCC. ये कंडीशन ध्यान रखनी है हम लोगों को, ये हमारी इसके अंदर फॉलो की जा रही है. WCR इज़ मोर देन द WCC, क्योंकि वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन रिजर्व 90,000 है और WCC 45,000 है. वैसे इसके अंदर क्लेम जो है 99 मीन्स WCR लेस देन द WCC. ये कंडीशन इसके अंदर फॉलो हो रही है और इसके अंदर हमारा WCR इक्वल है WCC के. नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस यू हैव टू पास द जर्नल एंट्री. ओके, इफ़ यू फाइंड एनी प्रॉब्लम टू सोल्व दिस क्वेश्चन देन यू कैन आस्क. ओके, थैंक यू स्टूडेंट फॉर टुडे एंड बी कंसंट्रेट ऑन दिस concept. It is so important. Okay, thank you students for today.